There is a revolution in higher education, and educators are incorporating technology to create deeper levels of learning and success. While there are several variations of the classroom engagement platforms, Squarecap has been designed by a university professor who understands the needs and requirements of the modern classroom and success of the students in mind.
I have been teaching at the university for more than 25 years. I have seen several thousands of students coming up with dreams of becoming doctors, scientists, and engineers. And over the time, I realized that half of them don't graduate in 4 years, and a third of them never graduate. So I wanted to do something about it.
Squarecap leads the way in many unique aspects. Automatic attendance tracking verifies students are in the room and encourages them to come to class every day. Pose questions to your students in real time for dynamic feedback and participation with any device. No additional receiver is ever required. Personalized seat maps and a student ask and vote feature provides a clearer picture of your students' understanding and allows for personalized feedback. User-friendly platform and seamless LMS integration makes it easy for professors to set up and saves time with an automatic grade upload. Most importantly, Squarecap has proven to improve student grades through increased attendance, participation, and feedback.
Most students have adapted to it pretty well when you consider what they pay for Squarecap, especially if they have several classes that use Squarecap. It's a minimal charge overall, and it gives us the ability not only to get that attendance stuff that I wanted, but now to engage with the students more.
Squarecap has helped my grades because not only do I just show up to class and take notes, I also get to reinforce the notes and the material afterwards.
I think Squarecap is a really good substitute for like in-class quizzing. So you get like all the benefit from the quizzes, but maybe not like the stress and anxiety that comes from it.
I took a class, Innovation and Technology in Higher Education. So when Squarecap came around, I'm like, I'm all for this. This is the way we need to start teaching. And I'm seeing the results and I'm reaping the benefits for it too. And you couldn't ask for anything more.
Join our network of teachers who have discovered the benefits of teaching with technology and help your students earn their Squarecaps.